Hello, I'm Jeff Richings, Technology Sales Manager at Farol, and today I'm here with the fantastic new R4140i self-propelled sprayer. So if you're in the market for a 4,000 or 5,000 litre machine, then this is a serious contender. Let's have a look round. So starting at the front of the machine, it's powered by a 255 horsepower 6.8 litre engine. That's an AdBlue, so we've got the 15 litre AdBlue tank here, easily filled, and then just further back down the side of the machine with an angled filler neck and step, a 290 litre diesel tank. Now the engine powers a single Sauer Danfoss hydro pump for our hydrostatic drivetrain. This offers us now 50k pH on the road, infinitely variable wheel motors, cruise control in the field and cruise control on the road as well. Piggybacked onto that Sauer Danfoss hydro pump is a hydraulic pump for all our other hydraulic functions, also now load sensing, so reducing noise, reducing fuel use as well. If we come round to the front of the machine, we can see nicely the independent suspension struts, this air suspension. We've got a large cast housing which holds the high-speed wheel motor, and on this machine 50k we've got discs on all four wheels, so disc brakes, four-wheel braking, which is a nice feature. As standard, we also get hydraulic track adjust, which is adjustable from the cab, so this can be measured out, and the front and rear can be set at different widths depending on conditions to give you an even wider footprint in the field. Also unique to the sprayer is the power spray solution system. That's a twin centrifugal pump. Now we have a 1200 litre a minute pump for filling with the unique active pause function. So by pressing one button on the new solution command panel, we can pause the filling into the main tank while retaining fresh water from the source at the inductor for final can rinse during filling, so really taking away the stress of filling and making that operation easy. So 1200 litre a minute centrifugal pump for filling, self-priming. We've then got a 1000 litre a minute centrifugal pump which is now mounted under the panel underneath the tank there, self-priming but with run dry protection as well. The inductor itself is the 55 litre conical inductor. We've got anti-bridge nozzle, we've got 3 rinse jets in here for adding clean water, offset can rinse, nice and easy to operate, taps easily accessible, no reaching down near the ground. Digital tank sensor gives us autofill shut off. We also have the addition of this sight glass for manual filling as well. Also new at the filling station on the 4140 series is some LED filling station lights. There's one at the back there and there's also one in here underneath, so filling at night made slightly easier as well. 3-inch filling connector. So filtration of the wet system is around the other side of the machine in what used to be the pump locker. So the pump locker only contains the suction and pressure filters, and in terms of valve work we've got half as many electronic valves now as we used to have, so a much simpler system. It's direct rate control, so we control the solution to the boom by varying the pump speed of that centrifugal pump. So very quick reaction times, 0 to 8 bar in under 3 seconds. So in terms of boom, extremely strong high tensile steel boom. Boom widths between 24 and 36 meters. We get 2 options on the boom plumbing. It's a 20-inch stainless steel spray line. The standard option is the 5-position rotating nozzle body with full pressure recirculation between 3 and 5.5 bar. But on this machine we've got the brand new John Deere designed and manufactured exact apply. That's pulse width modulation technology. Now pulse width modulation is operated through these 2 solenoids. We operate the nozzle pulsing at 30 Hertz. So along with the pulse width modulation, we also get on this machine something called pulse phasing. So when these 2 nozzles are spraying, these 2 nozzles are off, and then when these two nozzles are off, these two nozzles are spraying. This helps with any potential of misses based on a very fast forward speed and a very low duty cycle, so we get good coverage. PWM flexibility, it means that actually we can spray pretty much all of our applications through one nozzle. So an 06 nozzle on a 50% duty cycle is the same as an 03 nozzle. So you know, one nozzle reducing the cost of operation as well. Okay, so sat up in the new premium cab, we've got this leather seat which is heated and air cooled. We've got a fully adjustable steering column, leather as well, new command arm, new Command Pro joystick, new 4640 display, corner post display, the option of an extended monitor up in the top right corner. We've got some soft paneling which is much nicer, new passenger seat, it's and a commanding view of the field and good visibility of the boom as well. So looking through the display, we've got our full sprayer page layout here, nice and simple to understand and navigate. Job settings, machine settings, sprayer page. With this machine we've got the new Exact Apply boom nozzle technology. This is the setup operating page. On the run page we can select between line A or line B. We've also got A plus B or an auto B as well. We set our pressure. The pressure doesn't change. The pressure stays the same, irrelevant of forward speed, giving us a fixed nozzle droplet size. Down here we've got 12 sections in manual but 72 sections, so individual nozzle switching when we're spraying with section control. In this part of the screen it shows a bar chart of the application from each nozzle. So as we speed up, as we slow down, as we turn, we get turn compensation. We can see how the nozzles are performing in this part of the screen down here. The screen, as with all John Deere machines now, are connected. So we've got JD-Link built on the machine for diagnostics and telematics. Wireless data transfer, remote display access comes as standard with a 5-year subscription. So for ease of operation in the field, we've got headland management mode that operates the NORAC boom leveling system, available with 2 to 5 sensors on the boom. That also operates the 4-wheel steering, and it recharges the fold rams to keep the boom nice and rigid in operation. So if you like what you see and you're looking for a sprayer packed full of technology with maximum uptime and more efficiency, contact me by emailing technology@farol.co.uk or phone on 07 980 869 324. Thank you.